A pump is pumping, because that's what pumps do. Pumping water into a swimming pool. The number of gallons of water in the pool at some time t is given by the function g of t. Okay, now we're getting into a situation where we need to start understanding what the units are. So let's see. Represents minutes. Time is represented in minutes. And g represents gallons of water. Makes sense. Okay, g, gallons. Got it. What is the average rate of change? That's the slope on an interval from 4 to 10, and state the units of measure. Okay, well, let's do it. And I'm going to put words in with my math as I do this one. So I want to find the average rate of change. So g of 10 minus g of 4 over 10 minus 4. Well, my denominator is 6. And my numerator is 209 minus 132. And let's start putting some words in here with it. What do these represent? They represent gallons. So 209 gallons minus 132 gallons. If you're not squeezing these words in here, it's fine. And then 6 what? Minutes. Okay, well, let's subtract 209 minus 132. And we're going to have 77 gallons every 6 minutes. And you grab a calculator, you divide. I've already done it. So 12.833333. We'll just put the bar over it. And this is going to be gallons per minute. And it makes sense. They asked for a rate of change. Rate of change of what? Gallons of water in the big swimming pool with minutes. So gallons per minute. Okay. Find an estimate for the instantaneous rate of change of water at t equals 9 and state the units of measure. We have so many different things we could do here. We can find, and notice it's instantaneous. I need the slope at a point, but I have to estimate it. So I can find the slope here, here, here. There's all kinds of things I could do. I'm going to use the slope from 8 to 10. Now, again, if you want to go with these two, you can. If you want to go with these two, you can. I don't care what you do. I'm going to go 8 to 10. So I'm going to use the gallons at, 10. Almost put 8. And it's okay if you do put the small one first, as long as you're consistent in the numerator and denominator. I just like to put the big one first. That's just how I roll. All right, so we have 209. I'm going to leave the units off till I get to the end. Minus 171 divided by 2. And that's going to give me 38 over 2. And that ends up being 19. 19 what? Okay, well, 38 was gallons. So in these 2 minutes from minute 8 to minute 10, we gained 38 gallons. And we also had 2 minutes that passed. So 38 gallons in 2 minutes gives me 19 gallons per minute. Now, if you estimate this one, you're going to get an answer of 18. And if you use this one, you're going to get 20. So they're all kind of in the same ballpark, but it's going to be gallons per minute. So what is g of 0 and what does it represent? Well, this is an easy question. G of 0 is 100. Okay, 100. 100 what? What does it represent? 100 gallons. And I want to put this in a sentence. 100 gallons. Okay, so what does it represent? Well, 100 gallons of water were in the pool at t equals 0 minutes. So you walk over to the pump, you're about to switch the pump on and let it start pumping up, put water in the pool, and at that moment when you're about to turn the pump on, there's 100 gallons of water in the pool already. It's already there, and then the pool starts filling up even more.